Hello, I'm Matthias. I'm a validation and change manager for a pharmaceutical global company, and I rate SharePoint with 3 stars. For more information, click below. I use Microsoft SharePoint to help people create front pages and information about their division, their department, their services within a company, their processes, and help them deliver the solution for the audience that they want to reach. What I like most about Microsoft SharePoint is the versatility it has. It has a lot of options. It is a widespread solution, and it gives liberty to the end user, liberty to the person that is trying to have a content page um, um, distributed, and to the people assisting are supporting SharePoint within an organization. It is a widespread solution with a very versatile brand of options. I have a relationship with SharePoint for around 14 years and 4 employers, and what challenged me the most about SharePoint, or dislike the most, is that it gives you too much options. Sometimes it's not that user-friendly, or sometimes it takes a lot of manpower or a lot of resources to keep up to date or maintain or support SharePoint around the organization.